Welcome everybody. In this lesson we are going to talk about how to improvise with rhythmic patterns. So we're going to talk about how to use specific rhythms in your improvisation so you can control all aspects of improvisations. The notes, the rhythmic patterns, your starting note, and your target note. So let's go. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to improvise with rhythmic patterns. So the first idea we are going to talk today is we are going to use a specific rhythmic pattern, specific rhythmic idea, okay, for you to improvise on. So for example, I am having here with me this beautiful standard called There Will Never Be Another You. So I'm gonna play just a little bit, just the first 8 bars. Okay, perfect. This is the idea. I just played the song for you, so you can have like the idea, the basic idea of the melody. Now, the first thing we are gonna do is to use, okay, our harmonic skeleton. Remember, and we are gonna use arpeggios. So the first thing is which notes we are gonna use with these rhythmic patterns. So we have in this case B flat major, B flat major 7th, and we are gonna add the 9th, in this case the C in some cases. So remember, we are gonna use only 5 notes, okay. And in the same way, we're gonna have our target notes in the next bar is gonna be the same or type of the harmonic skeleton of the next chord with the same 5 notes. Okay, so for example, I have B flat major 7th for 2 bars, and then I have in my third bar A minor 7 flat 5. So I have this idea. Okay, in this case, sometimes I can use the 9th. Sometimes we need to listen to that note. Okay, then I have D7. Okay, for my D7 and the notes for D7, I'm gonna use my arpeggio, the same idea, D, F sharp, A, C, and the 9th. So in this case, okay, flat 9th. Why? Because we are in the key of B flat major, remember. Okay, what else? We have G minor 7. Perfect, our harmonic skeleton plus the 9th, in this case A. We have C7. The same idea, 1, 3, 5, the 7th, flat 7th, and the 9th, in this case D. Okay, and my last 2 chords will be F minor 7, F minor, the same idea with the 9th, in this case G, and B flat 7. Okay, my rhythmic pattern is very simple but very effective. So it's gonna be like half dotted note, remember, half dotted note, and I am gonna start my improvisation with a note for that harmonic skeleton. So if I am in the key, in the chord, in B flat major 7, I'm gonna have these ideas for starting F, A, for example, D, okay, and also I can use the ninth, for example, C, okay, okay, and I'm gonna be like in a jail, a little musical jail in this case, and I'm gonna use this rhythmic pattern, half dotted note plus 2/8 note going to the next target note, that is gonna be 1 3 5 7, okay, and the ninth of the next chord, okay, remember. So this is the idea. 1 2 3, for example, 1 2 3 4 and 1, rest. 1 2 3 4 and 1, okay, rest. 1 2 3 4 and 1, perfect. 3 4 and 1, perfect. Okay, as you can see, and as you listened to this little example, I always used only chord tones and sometimes the ninth. That's it. Okay, and you're gonna have perfect phrases, little phrases at this time, but you need to control everything: the rhythmic pattern, your notes, okay, your starting note and your ending note, your target note, remember. Okay, the same idea, we can do the same idea going up. So, for example, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, space, remember. 1 2 2 2 2 2 2, perfect. 1 2 1, do be down 3 perfect. Okay, that was another example of how to use this rhythmic pattern, very very basic rhythmic pattern, but is gonna be very effective as a way of introduce you to the improvisation. Okay, remember, you need to be in control of the notes, the rhythmic idea, your starting note and your target note. Okay, remember that. Okay, if you like this lesson, remember to leave a comment, and I will see you soon in the next lesson.